Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back. Today I'm going to be talking about my Saddlemen Road Sofa LS seat that I installed on my Indian Challenger. I've had about 500 miles on it right now, and I'm going to say that it's pretty much broken in right now. I got a ride coming up next weekend that's about 300 miles, so we'll see how it does on there. But so far, it's super comfortable. I really like it. The red stitching that I had goes well with the bike. The gel inserts in the seat are really nice. Really helps. The backrest, because I got the backrest option, that is super helpful. Like on long rides where you can just, need to stretch back, lean, hold you up a little bit, But the fit and finish is really nice on it. And everything about the seat so far I really, really like. We're going to go outside right now and take a look at it, and we'll see what you think. So hang on. All right, so here we go. Here's the seat installed on the bike. I have the backrest in right now. But that is just a comfortable, really, really comfortable seat. Like I said so far. This backrest, you can adjust it to where you want it. If you need more support or you want it to lean back a little more, you can adjust it. And then you got the gel inside here that's just like molds to you as you ride. And then once you get off, it's kind of like memory foam. It does expand back to where it was, but once you sit back on the seat, it remembers and you get right back into that groove that you had. But like this seat rest just comes out like that, so you could store it in your saddlebag, or you can just ride like around town. I don't really need it in there, but like we just came back from a trip last weekend to Utah and I hadn't really ridden the bike since then. Hope you enjoyed the review of my Saddlemen Road Sofa LS seat. If you did, hit the like button, comment, subscribe, click the bell for notifications. Keep checking back because we're going to try to keep getting more videos updated. And thanks again for following. We really, really appreciate it. Thank you.